I want to speak about him. He's one person who's very inspired and he feels for the army.
Hello, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. I'm Atika Farooqi and thank Patriot Syed Al Ghazi for trusting me with this beautiful role. And
BMF initiatives for our armed forces is highly praiseworthy. My best wishes to BMF and Patriot Syed Bhai.
Hello friends, Patriot Syed and Braveheart Martyrs Foundation will be honoring the...
आज ये कर रहा हूँ मैं इसलिए कि कल मैं अगर जिंदा ना रहूँ तो मेरे बच्चे जो रहेंगे तो वो जो है मेरा नाम लेकर ये सोचे कि उनके फादर ने कुछ अच्छा काम किया है दुनिया में. एंड दैट्स द रीजन आई एम डूइंग दिस. आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी फ्रैंकली, थैंक यू बेटा. दिस फॉर ऑल. मेरे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, 3 बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए है ये. और कल कुछ हो भी जाएगा मुझे तो ये चीज़ याद रहेगी ज़िंदगी में, क्योंकि हमारे पास ये सब रिकॉर्डेड है, तो बच नहीं पाओगे आप लोग. ठीक है ना, मेरी अच्छाई से. थैंक्स अ लॉट. थैंक यू सो मच. सो काइंड ऑफ यू.
Good morning, everyone. What a pleasure to be here this morning with all of you on this beautiful, well-designed program by His Excellency Nawab Syed Al Ghazi. The purpose you know very well. Let me take this wonderful opportunity to extend my heartiest welcome to all of you to Marva Studios, and let me also congratulate Syed Al Ghazi for designing this special program for Army wives. Well, not many people know that I have given my 9 years to paramilitary forces. I've been I joined this force called Delhi Home Guards as a battalion commander, and I rose up to the level of district commandant, which is a full colonel. And I'm lucky enough to handle almost 12,000 cadets in Delhi and been employing around 4,500 cadets every day for 9 years. And I had a wonderful opportunity to participate 8 times in 26th January parade, and one time I lead the parade out of these years. I have a wonderful relation with the people who are part and parcel of forces. We feel that we are nothing without the forces. I'm talking about all the forces. It all starts with probably a local police officer to the highest rank in all the 3 major forces of the country who are serving this nation and giving us a beautiful and a wonderful life. Trust me. Let me start with 2 very important lines कि सभी दिशाओं से शुभ सुंदर भाव विचार भरे नित अंतर पुण्य धरा बन जाए स्वर्ग ये मेरे यत्नों से करुणा कर. Whether it is north, south, east or west, whether you're in India or abroad, whether you are on the top of the hill or you're standing at a seashore, whether you are in a lush green garden and looking at some colorful flowers, or maybe looking at the most beautiful woman on earth. The fact is there are 2 things which are much more beautiful than what you can see with your naked eyes, and these 2 things are your thinking and your feelings. And the best part is that both the things are right within you. You don't even need eyes for that. On this very auspicious day, let's pray. Hey Lord, give me good thinking, give me good feelings so that I can do good deeds, and through my good karmas, I would love to convert this earth into heaven. This is what I believe, and I'm sure you will also believe in the same. Well, it's a beautiful moment where we have decided to honor some of the great ladies of this country who have been somewhere felt probably more charged in energy than all of us, because they have sacrificed their families for the nation, for the welfare of the country, for the defense of the country, for our peace and for our pleasure. And that's probably the highest sacrifice anybody can do it in his lifetime. I have always a great regard for people who are in forces, because you have to actually sacrifice all your pleasures for someone else's pleasure, which is a very tough job, let me tell you that. But I'm so happy again because Syed Al Ghazi, who's been a dear friend for a donkey years, and when he referred and gave this kind of an idea, I say now this is my pleasure, my honor, and let me feel at least that I will be actually participating in a duty towards nation if I'm going to organize this event at Marva Studios. With all these words, I once again welcome everyone here at Marva Studios, especially my friend Sandeep Mehta from UAE, Shahwat from New Delhi, and all of you from different parts of the country. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Before I close, I would like to speak two more lines. कि जिस ओर चले हम मस्ती में, झुक जाए उधर अंबर भूतल, आजाद वतन के वाशिंदे, हर गीत हमारा है बादल, विविध प्रांत है अपनी अपनी भाषा के अभिमानी हम, लेकिन सबसे पहले दुनिया वालों हिंदुस्तानी हम. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request His Excellency Nawab sir to please address the gathering.
Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Before I begin, I just wanted to have one glimpse of some special message from somebody who is very special to our country and especially for me as a family. And I'm sure it will bring smiles on your faces a little bit with their beginning. So I would request the technical team to just play the surprise for a great family's please. Then I'll have a smile because I'm not a
Ladies and
ex-tempo
gentlemen,
guy.
a very good
So-
morning to you. My heart goes out to all the great patriots, war heroes of our nation and their families. And I would like to thank the Braveheart Martyrs Foundation, led by Nawab Sayyid Al Ghazi, for honoring them. Unfortunately, I could not be present today, but my thoughts are with you, the real heroes of our country. God bless you.
I prefer to a little bit reading my utna jo hai. I'm not that perfect like Sandeep, my dear Sandeep Sharmaji, but still I will read it out as I usually do in all my little program I do. I'll start with the good afternoon everyone. And I would like to wish and thank my dearest and outstanding friend and colleague Dr. Sandeep Marwaji and the brilliant team of Marva Studios, AFT University, ICMEI for always being kind, caring, loving and respectful towards me and my little boy. Whenever we plan to do something, in Delhi or Noida, anywhere, whether diplomacy, Indian Armed Forces, programs, collaborations, you name it. And I just give him one call to Sandeep ji, and he just says, Sayyid ji, आ जाइए, हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, शानदार कर लेंगे. और हमेशा वैसे ही नहीं, expectation से ज़्यादा ही करते हैं वो. And I'm once again thank you so much. So camaraderie and brotherhood will go a long way, Sandeep ji. And other thing is the royalty and the Royal Families International Investors Forum will start in the middle of this thing. Will go. First priority is our heroes, and I would like to especially thank and welcome the great war heroes, and families and mothers of our heroes who treat me like their, own son, elder brother, sister since ages for my patriotic work. And I'm really indebted to each one of you for treating me like their elder son, because I'm elder than the real heroes. Thank you once again, Auntie, Meena Auntie especially, Sapna Auntie and all the aunties, and Girdhari Lal Batra Uncle, Captain Vikram Batra's dad, and all, I'm not remembering other names, great, there are many hundred thousands. So thank you so much for everything you have done for me. It gives me immense pleasure doing something, I must say, chosen by God to do something for our country. Indian Armed Forces, martyrs, families, living legends. I have always been a cadet of Rashtriya Military School, Bangalore, and I've done nearly all the drills of an army man. But the one moment it all changed, and when I decided to do something, for our martyrs was when the conflict with our neighbors happened in 1999. It made me think and understand what it feels, to lose your loved ones at the borders fighting and safeguard our country. And it is just imagine a mother's plight when she received her young son's body wrapped in our national flag. This is the moment I took an oath to do something for our martyrs, families, due to which BMF, that's the Braveheart Martyrs Foundation, was conceived. And I have been doing little work since then. We all celebrate Dasera, Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti and many festivals, which makes us feel happy. So why not celebrate our martyr war heroes, families, living legends, by honoring and paying tributes to many of our heroes and we Nari especially who are sitting here today with us. War is bad for humanity, as both the sides lose their loved ones. And I would like to preciously take this time from his busy schedule. All the people who have come from different states, especially and Sandeep Mehta ji, who came in from Dubai especially for this event. Thank you, Sandeep ji, for coming in. And I have read and heard about many great noble ladies like Mother Teresa, Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many more. And looking at each one of you, I feel you all have inherited all those qualities of these famous, giants. And one day you become Mother Teresa, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Sarojini Naidu ji of this generation to inspire millions of outshining, people, ladies, and who are shy and not brave to come out of their shell houses and face this world. And as a honorary consul of Liberland for India, our consulate and my Royal Family Office will always support enterprising and encouraging respected ladies and women empowerment. I am sure this world will have many inspiring women coming out to achieve their goals. I really thank God for the blessed day you all made me a part of your beautiful world and journey, and spread love, kindness, happiness towards each and every respected woman of our universe. I hope and pray to you that the best I now can in future. Always try to be happy and do what you like to do. And in the end, I would like to thank my dear family friend Shawat Sharan for coming in with her family. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming in. It's a great opportunity to meet you again. And thanks a lot. And enjoy the moments we are going to present from now, please. Thank you and Jai Hind, please.
I request Mr. Sandeep Mehta to please address our gallery.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम संदीप मेहता है और मैं भारतीय हूँ और मुझे भारतीय पर बहुत गर्व है। 30 साल मैं बाहर रहा हूँ और हमने, मेरी फैमिली ने, मेरी बेटी ने जो है बाहर बॉर्न हुई, हमने एक प्लेज ली है, हम भारतीय ही रहेंगे क्योंकि भारत जैसा कोई मुल्क है ही नहीं। तो मुझे आज बहुत गर्व है कि मैं आप सभी के बीच में यहाँ पे हूँ। और सबसे बड़ी बात हमारे लिए है कि आप कभी भी अपने आप को आपका बेटा भाई नहीं है ऐसा मत सोचना। सारे हिंदुस्तान के 140 करोड़ लोग आपके बेटे हैं। आपकी आवाज़ पे हम आने को तैयार हैं। आपकी कोई भी चीज़ हमें बताइए, आपका दिल खोलिए, हम आपके साथ हैं। हमें बहुत गर्व है कि आज आर्मी वाइफ्स, आर्मी ब्रदर्स, आर्मी सिस्टर्स जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी फैमिली के बीच हमें रहने का मौका मिला है आज। तो हम आपके बहुत करीब हैं। मेरी एक बहुत बड़ी लाइफ की मिशन है जो कोविड के बाद मैंने ली है। आई वॉन्ट टू हेल्प 10,000 पीपल, आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज 10,000 लाइफ। मैंने आज तक 2,000 लोग की हेल्प की है और मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं आगे बढ़ूं जहां मैं एक एक इंडिविजुअल से कनेक्ट हूं। अगर आपको 10 मिनट भी कुछ कहना है मुझे, मेरे पर्सनल फ़ोन पे मेरा कार्ड ले लीजिए। घंटों तक कोई लोग मुझे बात करते हैं, कोई डिप्रेशन में है, किसको पैसे की ज़रूरत है, किसको मॉरल सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है। तो मैंने एक मिशन की है कि लाइफ में मैंने बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया अपने बिज़नेस के पीछे। अभी नेक्स्ट 10 years आई हैव डेडिकेटेड माई सेल्फ कि मैं सभी को मदद करूं और मेरे जीवन को कुछ ध्यान दूं। इंस्पिरेशन है बड़े लोग जैसे संदीप मारवा जी है, सैयद अलगाज़ी है और मेरे काफ़ी मित्र हैं जिसने अपने बिज़नेस थ्रू पूरे समाज की सेवा कर रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि सब बिज़नेस ही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बिज़नेस के साथ वो समाज की सेवा कर रहे हैं। तो इस बार मुझे अच्छा मौका मिला यहाँ दिल्ली आने का। दिल्ली मेरे दिल में बहुत करीब है क्योंकि दिल्ली में मेरे दोस्त रहते हैं और मेरे आज आई थिंक यहाँ से मैं एटलीस्ट 15-20 दोस्त और बना के जाऊँगा। तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत गर्व की बात होगी कि मैं और आदमी लोग के साथ दोस्त बना पाऊँगा। तो आप कभी भी मुझे कांटेक्ट कीजिए, मेरा नंबर मैं दे दूँगा और आप मुझसे जुड़े रहना। मैं काफ़ी लोग के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और मुझे थैंक यू फिर से कहना है संदीप जी को अपना बड़ा दिल खोलने का हर टाइम और अपने इवेंट करने के लिए इनकी फैसिलिटीज़ देते हैं। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच। और मैं आपको लास्ट एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Shehwa ma'am to please address our gathering. Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity. I would like to start thanking Mr. Syed Al Ghazi of coming from such royal family and still humble, inviting everyone, honoring everyone with such grace and humility. I would like to extend my thank to Sandeep Marwaji for always opening his door for each person who want to set example and leading in their own sector, and his platform is always open and he's so welcoming. So I would say the warrior that's sitting here among us, sir, salute to your spirits and thank you for always blessing women, because I've seen the way you encourage the women warrior. Being the founder of World Association of Women Warriors, I was always thinking that the women are the real life warriors. Each woman is a warrior because they struggle, they nurture and they create. However, sitting here today in front of those mothers, I feel that I am feeling myself very small in front of you. Your sacrifice is biggest sacrifice. It's not for your own family, it's for the entire country, not only for fighting on the borderline, but to protect the people living in our country. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for raising such kids. And I would say the spirit comes from home. What happened is all because of you, the mothers that we have in our country. Thank you so much for all your strength, and we need your blessings always. Thank you so much. Now we will start with the honoring of the war hero families as per the armed protocol for the war heroes families. Captain Vikram Batra ji, Paramveer Chakra Kargil war hero. We have his AV and we will start with that.
Now we are going to felicitate the families of our martyrs. I'll either come back after raising the Indian flag in victory or return wrapped in it. These words that Captain Vikram told a friend before leaving for war. Born in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, Captain Vikram Batra ji of 13 J&K Rifles is known as the hero of the Kargil War. He led one of the toughest war operations in Kashmir and was also called Sher Shah. He was instrumental in recapturing Peak 5140, which is located at an altitude of 17,000 feet. When a Subedar tried to help him save the officer, Batra ji pushed him aside saying, "You have children, step aside." He saved his fellow soldier, but was killed while clearing enemy positions. Captain Vikram Batra said, "Ye dil mange more," and captured the Tiger Hill.
I share a personal incident. When I was young, schoolmate, I really used to get scared looking at that book. But I don't know what strength he gave me, like, when his body came. So I knew my brother-in-law were the first people to tell me. So I only took him going for his hand rights. One was taking out the coffin, the tricolor, one is the campus, and everything wrong. Now I took the ball up. I told it in my hands. And that was the first position for me. It was painful, it was painful. I don't know what strength,
It is my honor to welcome Mr. Giridhari Lal Batra ji, father of Vikram Batra, to please come up on stage. And Mr. Syed Al Ghazi.
his father Shri Girdhari Lal Batra ji, his sister Mrs. Nutan Batra ji and Mr. Ajay Batra ji is present to receive the award. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we would like to honor Captain Anuj Nayyar ji, Mahavir Chakra Kargil War Hero. We will begin with a short film for him.
हो गया तो जॉन्डिस में जब वो आया 2 दिन के लिए घर पे आया, देखा कि इसका तो जॉन्डिस है, तो वो छुट्टी लेके उसको हमें वो आर्मी हॉस्पिटल में हॉस्पिटलाइज करना पड़ा था परमानेंट हाफ मंथ। उससे जैसे ही वहाँ से मतलब जॉन्डिस क्लियर हुआ तो कमांडेंट ने स्ट्रेट में उसको कैरियर श्रीनगर जाने के लिए, एंड वो वहाँ सीधा वहाँ चला गया। हमें नहीं पता था कि कारगिल का मतलब अनुज का कितना वो था। बाद में जब एक दो इसके फ्रेंड्स यहाँ से गए, उन्होंने पूछा कि आंटी अनुज के लिए कुछ भेजना है, इसने कुछ कैसेट्स वगैरह मंगवाई थी, तो मैंने उसको बोला बेटे उसने ये मंगवाई हैं चीज़ें। कहते आंटी वो तो वॉर में है। इसने हमें ये नहीं बताया था कि मतलब एटलीस्ट मुझे नहीं बताया था कि ये कारगिल में जाना है। अनुज की एंगेजमेंट हो गई थी 1 साल पहले एंड उसकी शादी थी 10 सितंबर। पूरी तैयारी हो गई, वो अपने ब्राइड ग्रूम की ड्रेस पहन के दिखा के गया यहाँ पर।
जब वो वॉर जोन में भी थे, वो चिट्ठी में फोन पे यही बोलते थे कि मैं ठीक हूँ, यहाँ पे कोई डेंजर नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अपने फादर को वो सच बता।
कैप्टन अनुज नायर की माँ आज भी बेटे का भावुक हो जाती है।
लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी थी, मुझे तो खैर इतना पता भी नहीं था कि ये कारगिल में है। मेरे से थोड़ा सा उसको, हाँ मेरी माँ परेशान होती है। 2 दिन पहले उसकी बात हुई थी, अपनी फैमिली से भी हुई थी, मेरी सिस्टर से भी हुई थी। उसने यही कहा था कि मम्मी को कहना मुझे फोन नहीं करे, और मैं एक सीरियस ऑपरेशन के लिए जा रहा हूँ। वो 3 बंकर डिस्ट्रॉय कर लिए थे, 4थे बंकर पे लोगों ने कहा भी था कि थोड़ा सा रुक जाइए क्योंकि सनलाइट आ गई थी, 520 का टैंक था उसमें, तो उसके काफी लोग मर गए थे।
जो अगली का
It is my honor to welcome
हो गया तो
It is my honor to please call Mrs. Meena Nayyar ji, mother of Captain Anuj Nayyar, Mahavir Chakra and Kargil War Hero, to receive the honor.
देखिए आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा श्योर थी कि मैंने पेन को ओवरकम कर लिया है, बट यहाँ आकर अभी भी लग रहा है कि पेन ओवरकम नहीं हो पा रही। ट्राई टू सर्च, सब लोग कहते हैं कि प्राउड प्राउड, मैंने आज सोचा था, मैंने आज प्राउड में पेन में प्राउड ढूंढा है सिर्फ, बट इन सबको देख के मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं कुछ कर पाई। थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
Before we go to the next awardee, I would request Nutan Batra ji, sister of Captain Vikram Batra ji, to say a few words, please.
Namaskar. I'm really deeply humble. आंटी ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि बहुत बहुत ही प्राइड फीलिंग है दैट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइव्स. दीज ब्रेव हार्ट में कुछ डिफरेंट था जो उन्होंने इतना करेज रखते हुए सबसे आगे अपने देश को, अपने कंपेनियंस को रखा. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइड फीलिंग होती है, लेकिन मन में जो वॉइड है उसको कोई नहीं पूरा कर सकता. टाइम टाइम पे ऐसे इवेंट्स जो हैं, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि आप लोगों का ये एफर्ट दैट कीप मोटिवेटिंग, हम सबको आगे वाली आने वाली जनरेशन को मोटिवेट करते हैं. और उनकी जो इन ब्रेव हार्ट्स ने जो सेक्रीफाइस किया, उनके उसको रिवाइव करने के लिए उसको हमेशा याद रखेंगे सब लोग. और ये आप लोगों का बहुत बड़ा एफर्ट है, जो आपका एक नेशन के लिए लव है, जो यू कीप ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सच प्रोग्राम्स. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन ऑल ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. जय हिंद.
Next, we would like to honor Dr. Sandeep Marva, founder and chancellor of AFT University and President Marva Studios. Next, we would like to honor Dr. Mustafa Sasa, Chairman, Raj Group of Companies, Dubai. Ambassador Sandeep Mehta will receive the honor on his behalf. Next, we would like to honor Ambassador Dunson Persera, CEO, the Private Office of H.H. Sheikh Ahmed bin Fasil. Next, we honor Ambassador Sandeep Mehta, Secretary General and Chairman, International Diplomatic Mission. Next, we honor Dr. Ritu Sharda, CEO and founder of Escala Entertainment, Hollywood and Canadian Escala Entertainment.